Well, it's that time of year again, you know, it's towards the end of winter, and basically it's snow outside, middle of February, Christmas, Thanksgiving, the cold, eating hearty stews, breads, desserts, and now it's time to start thinking about motorcycle season. And what did we put on during the winter to see how bad this diet is going to have to be. So of course we got all the jackets and helmets and everything here. So we're going to try things on and see if they still fit. Last year, couldn't do the pants up. Dramatic diet between February till April. This year, I'm hoping I wasn't so bad, but we'll see. It's yet to be determined. Well, so here's my riding jeans. They literally do up and fit. Are they a bit tight? Yeah, I'm gonna say 8 pounds too tight, which isn't so bad because last year it was more like 15 to 20. So let's see if the jacket that goes with it will do up, because that's the other issue. Okay, and does it fit? It does. A little on the tight side, but you know, diet time. I have half of February, March, 8 pounds, pound a week, 2 pounds a week. That should do it. That's good news, but we're not over. The jeans did fit really nice last year. So let's have a look at the Klim pants that are of importance here. So let's have a look at these and make sure that these still fit. Well, this is even better news because I still have lots of space. Wow, I didn't do so bad. Now, if I take the jacket, I know that my jacket should fit. Where I'll have problems is with double layering it, I think. So this jacket fits. Yes, sir. Very good. Okay, now, where we may have some problem is for that second layer, where we have the base layer, then the second layer, and probably going to cover the mic this way, so we'll put the mic up here, and then this layer and see if it still does up. May have to undo some strapping here, but again, I think we're 8 pounds maybe. Have to loosen this, loosen this, loosen this, and we might do it. We might get it done. Okay, so yeah, well, this mic doesn't help, but I'm feeling a bit tight here, but that's good because it's supposed to be tight. But yeah, so now the plan: reduce my carbs, eliminate the sugar for the rest of the season. Don't know why it starts at Christmas, but it always does. But I think I'm in fairly good shape this year, especially compared to the last 3 years. So I should be in tip-top shape by riding season, which would be late March, early April. So this is my checkup. February, middle of February, check to see what I've done to myself by being indoors, not outdoors canoeing, riding, and doing stuff, just indoors, the odd snowshoeing, and that's that. So, good to go. I can't wait to get on my bike.